Hey guys, so we're back with another Halloween tutorial and we're gonna make Jessica Rabbit into a zombie. So first we're gonna start off by just pretty much concealing the brow. So I already had it laid down with glue, now I'm just color correcting. Just going back and forth with powder and the color corrector, and then I go in with my P. Louise base from the lid all the way up to the brow just to cover that area and get it prepped for eyeshadow. Before we go into the eyes, we're just pretty much gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. So I'm using the Huda Beauty, I think what is it, the faux, no, it's not the faux filter, is it? I don't even remember the name of it, but I'm using that foundation, and this shade is Toasted Coconut, and it is very, very light, as you guys can see here, but that is exactly what we want because Jessica Rabbit is a zombie, so she needs to be dead. So a lighter foundation will do. Then we go in with some Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just using one of the darker shades, and I'm going ahead and just giving a little bit, just a little bit of shadow just to kind of bring in some grayness to the face, so we can look a little bit more dead as well as slightly chiseled. So right here I'm just drawing the brow, and I did mess up a little bit and I tried to get it as perfect as possible, but this was the best that I can do. And I am using my Mehron Paradise Paint palette to do that. So I do use that palette for the other side of the face as well, as far as like the paint job and stuff. Now as you guys see here, I'm taking the nirvana palette and I'm just using that purple shade for the eyeshadow, and we're going to shape it to mimic the big lid that Jessica then I also do it on my nose, and then once it starts to dry, I go ahead and I start painting. really juicy. But that is it. That is pretty much the entire tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoy this look. Please make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, because I am doing 31 days of Halloween on there. On here, I'm only going to be doing 2 Halloween videos a week. So please go make sure you follow me over there if you want to see all of the Halloween looks that I do create. And as well, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.